Hi everyone, in this quick video we're going to demonstrate how you can reset a Panasonic LUMIX S series full frame camera to the factory default settings. All you need to do is go into the menu, then navigate to the settings banner, you can see this here, and then go to the setting cog. The last option here is reset. Select that with the menu set button, and you just have to confirm that you want to actually reset the recording settings and the drive mode, network settings. Again, you can have a selective reset here. So if you want to keep the network settings, you can just select no, but for a full reset, we're going to go with yes. And then we can also reset the setup or custom settings. And now, this is what the camera would be if we just took it out of the box for the first time. Hope this helps, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.